right, so we are here at the XHQ yard. It's a lot of mess here going on. As you know, we are in the final stages of completing this yard. One of the things we are going to be doing is to paint that building that you see ahead of us, which is the XHQ building. It's a 2-story office building, and we have a lot of different things going on in the yard. This is the machine. We are going to try to measure this area between this container, the wall of that fence, and where these bricks are parked, and right about where you see this machine parked. This space in this area is where we intend to build our solar port, which is going to be a small solar microgrid here that will supply this building. And this microgrid is going to be a commercial and industrial microgrid. What that means is that this is not the typical residential solar installation. This is going to be a commercial industrial scale installation. And the battery that we are going to be using here are all high voltage batteries. The inverter is a commercial grade inverter, and the total system size for the solar panels here is going to be about 39 kilowatt of installed solar panel capacity. And then of course the battery capacity is going to be 80 kilowatt hour battery capacity. So this is going to be massive, it's going to be huge, and all of those components that we got as among the best in the world, period. Those tall boxes that you see over there are going to be the solar panel. Oh, by the way, sorry about the noise you hear in the background. So the welders and the screw are fixing the gate. We're going to make the gate because this is like a company yard sort of thing. So we are going to redo this gate, shorten it a little bit, and then fix it up and install it over there. So that's the work that is going on, and you're hearing all of those noise. And of course, the last time you saw us hauling dirt from the upper side of the yard to this lower side of the yard. And we have some dirt here. We haven't kind of spread it out yet, but we are going to do that at some point. Of course, there's a lot of trash that came from up there. Well, let me walk close to the building and close to those solar panels that you see over there. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that is going to be going on here. So these are the solar panels. These are 705 watts each. They are dual glass panels. Those are the things that we are going to be installing here. So these are massive solar panels, and they are some of the best you can get. These wire mesh you see are the ones we are going to do to maybe lay out the foundational course for that area that we're going to build out if we decide to cast the entire floor. Well, I haven't decided yet whether to do that or whether to make, like, you know, little slabs of concrete and spread it out there. So that's what we're going to do. Meanwhile, the painters are going to start painting this building now. And then we're also going to do painting and electrical work here. And on top of there, we are going to build something like a tent for people to sit up there. The painters are in the garage. And of course, we have my man Patrick here. He's a super great electrician. So yeah, he's already here doing a lot of great work. Yeah, hi to you, Patrick. So the painters are in here doing some stripping of the wall. This is the garage, and we're going to clean this place up, fix it up nicely, and then I'm going to bring all of my junk equipment. There's a lot of it. I need to build the shelves around this entire wall. Once it is painted and everything is done, I'm going to build shelves around this wall, and this will be my garage, my workshop, where I'll bring all of my junks and park them out here. So these walls here are going to be stripped, painted well, and then it's going to look all nice. But that's not what I'm up here for today. Today I'm out there in the heat of the sun, going to get this work done to install the solar. So I'm going to start today by just measuring the space. So I figured, after doing the calculations that I need for my installation, I'm going to need 48 of these panels. So the way I want to do is that I need to measure here so that this space, I'm able to arrange those 48 panels in a grid of 6 by 8. Now, I'm thinking I can get the long side of the panels this way, and the short side is this way, and I can also be able to line up 8 columns of those panels this direction, 8 columns of the panels here, and then 6 of the long side from here to that wall. So that's the measurement I'm going to do. Now, giving the dimensions of those panels to be 1.303 meters wide by 2.384 meters long, I'm going to now measure 8 of those lengths and widths and see if they can fit here into the grid. So that's what's up today. We're going to be working here today, not going to Xity today, but the crew is there working, clearing the boundary road that we showed you the last time. And by the way, today is Christmas Eve, so can be all over the place at the same time. So today we're just going to do that. So let's do some measurement first, and then we can move on from the measurement here. So let's do the following. So I figure if we say this is the long side and we want to get about, let's say if we get 8 of these on this side and we can get 6 of these on this long side, that would be great. So that is going to be 6 times 2.384. That is going to give you anywhere around 14 meters or so, something like that, 14.3. So if I can get 15 meters from here close to the fence, that would be great. So that's the target now I'm doing. So I'm going to start from the fence and measure down towards this direction. I have a call from Xity. So I'm here, but I'm monitoring things. Let me pick up this call. Hello? Yes? So the people should bring fuel there today, right? Okay, I'll call KB so KB can get a few drums out and pick up some fuels. Okay. Let me make that call quickly. So they are running out of fuel, so I need to call the guy responsible for fuel delivery. KB, the people are running out of fuel, they need fuel. So you'll make a call? Yeah. Okay, but you got to find someone to get that fuel there. I don't have the time, I'm working here. Yes, make the call, let them get the drums. I can give them additional drums from here, but those people need fuel there, we can't let them not have fuel. Okay, so make it happen, make the call. Okay. All right, let's get started. We're going to go start up there and measure about 14.5 or 15 to 16 meters down here. Right around here. I don't think anything's gonna stand. Woo! The ground is hard. Okay. Just need a marker really. Or I could spray this with something. I have everything, but they are all scattered in the warehouse. I don't know where to find those things. That's my problem right now. So I'm gonna need like a hammer. All right, so let's measure again from here. Gonna go up and see if we get that 18-meter mark. All right, right here. Nice. So this is where we are. This area is less difficult. It's fine. Frankly, I can just put a break here. Yep. Actually, let's do this. Instead of using pegs, we'll put the bricks. Let's put bricks around there. Thank you. Woo. So now we have that. We'll line it up later, but for now we just want the distances, just to get a rough idea of the area. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need one of this out there. I'm gonna measure, I need about 10 meters this way. So this is a 10 meters mark, but I can carry a little bit closer to this, or add 2 more meters to make it 12 meters, just for the sake of being on the safe side. All right. 2 more meters here. That's it. I'm gonna measure from down there this way again, the same 12 meters. Since this thing is in the way, I need to get this thing out of the way. Obviously, I'll just lay it somewhere around there. Yeah, I'll use the machine to do that. Let's do that. Okay, one block, you carry water. I'll do this as well. This is this. All right. So now we need to square this up when we are done. It's not square, obviously. We'll square it out. Once we are done, we'll square this thing. So for now, this is the area we want to fix up. All right. This guy is done. So now we have our markings. We have the 4 corners with our bricks. We're going to clear up this area and then get this work started. And we haven't even got this started and I'm sweating already. What do you want? Okay. You want to carry the machine in the generator house? Or you want to take the wire from there? Okay, I can go open it for you. Turn it off.
we're crossing because I need to know how to stand up. And it has a fast car, but it's still starting to protection. Yeah, it's bad. And it's hard to do because I'm moving to independence. But I just want to say, we're done get done. When the same time, be mindful. And the thing is that I can close it. I can cover it up. Because then we got one in there. And when you throw, it's a little bit open. While at the same time, be mindful. So, a lot of things going on. Yeah. One of the stuff is, we're done get done. And so it takes, that's the we're done. Oh, that's fine. I lost my bracelet. I'm still like 5. It wasn't a race. I didn't hook it up properly. When I came to pick up the 40, I think I dropped it when I was trying to hook it up. So maybe I shouldn't be wearing it. But I'll put it off for now till I get the vehicle. I'm going to go back now. Go over and see now. Okay. Press it. Now you put it down. Yeah. Yeah, go. You're strong. Okay. I'm going to chase one. I'm going to chase. Right foot. What? Right. Okay, go. That's it. Thank you. Touch. Touch. Look, never touch them.